Watch as a woman's emotions boil over during a routine traffic stop, leading to a fiery confrontation with the police.
It's my right to have it open! It's my right!
Brittany Bianchi, a 31-year-old woman, was pulled over by the Florida Highway Patrol after she was caught going at an astonishing speed of 120 miles per hour in her Mercedes. This is how the stop initially started.
What's going on with your license?
What is going on with my license?
Did you never sign your license?
Not at all. I seriously do not know what's going on with my license.
You received no. Don't act surprised like you don't know what you're driving license is. All the suspensions and things that you've had. License is still suspended.
What do you mean still suspended?
It's been suspended for a while. They've been mailing you notices about the suspensions on your license.
No, I'm not familiar with that at all.
There's also, you've been suspended before for driving while suspended, for DUIs, things like that. You were mailed a notice.
But we're not talking about that. That's old news. So we're talking about the current news right now, correct? That I'm not familiar with, and you're telling me that I've been notified of what?
That you were suspended. You were suspended in 2016.
Okay, we're not talking about.
I'm talking about that.
Okay. Let's talk about old news.
This system is telling me that you received notices of your suspension.
Of what suspension?
Your license suspension. That's why I'm asking you about it. How much have you had to drink?
0. I do not drink. I don't drink.
Would you be willing to perform field sobriety?
I have no reason to. I don't drink.
Okay, I'm asking you because you passed me at 125 miles an hour. I can smell the alcohol from you. Your eyes are bloodshot water. You're slurring your words. I'm watching how you're grabbing your paperwork.
I'm slurring 0 words?
Okay, listen to me. I have suspicions that you may be impaired. Therefore, I am legally asking you if you will perform field sobriety exercises. Yes or no question.
Well, let me inform you of something. I have 0 reason to perform any sobriety, anything, because I'm not under any influence of anything, number 1. Number 2, I'm not aware of my license being suspended, so that's a surprise to me. I have valid insurance under Modelo Insurance. I've had them for 2 months. I used to have Progressive. I don't have them anymore. So I have 0 reason to believe that I don't have insurance or that I'm under any type of lawful anything.
I told you 3 times your license is suspended.
For what?
Financial responsibility.
What does that mean?
That's all it tells me. It says that you owe money.
For what?
Some sort of financial problem.
That's news to me because I have valid insurance.
Financial responsibility means, I'm not saying this is you, but I'm saying it could be one of these things. You didn't pay your tolls. You have child support.
That could be it.
You have insurance.
0 child support due. Could be my tolls. Anything else is irrelevant.
Whoa, she seemed to be aggressive from the get-go. Brittany tries to change the topic from the officer smelling alcohol on her breath. Even after he told her that they're past the other issues, her talking and arguing does not help her situation anytime sooner.
I'm not.
Doing the field sobriety.
I'm not going to do security.
Okay, listen to me. I have to give you this. If you choose not to do that, I still have to make a decision.
You understand that I'm wearing heels. So me walking and doing anything. Go ahead.
If you choose not to do them, I still have to make a decision as if you are impaired or not.
You understand that in court, this video surveillance that you're doing off your body cam, right? That's turned on, right? That's going to be revealed in court. So you understand that what I'm saying right now is relevant, right? Okay, go ahead. Proceed, please.
If you choose not to do them, which this is your best opportunity to dispel these suspicions that I have that you are impaired. This is your best opportunity to dispel that. So if you choose not to do that, I still have to make a decision, and it's going to be with less information. And that's just the information that I have right now, okay? Also, your refusal to do this can be used against you later in court.
Good, because I'm not doing anything wrong right now.
So with that in mind, are you still refusing to do guilty?
I am.
Okay.
I am.
You're under arrest for DUI.
I'm under suspicion of something. But that's your suspicion. Why are you?
You didn't give me an opportunity.
You didn't give me an opportunity.
I just asked you. That was your best opportunity. That's your best opportunity.
I mean, I'll do it if that's going to keep me out of arrest. But like, I'm not under.
But she doesn't stop there. Once the officers put her in the back of the vehicle, Brittany just gets more irate and belligerent.
You really have no proof that I was drinking any alcohol at all. So I don't know why you're arresting me for alcohol. Maybe speeding, but alcohol is unlawful. I'm under arrest for speeding? I don't really know why I'm under arrest right now. Can you hear me, officer? Hello?
So I'm not requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test?
No.
Okay. If you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year. For a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you've been previously fined under 327.35215 for refusing.
But you're reading me a document.
Additionally,
Excuse me, I'm asking you a question though. I'm asking you a question. I don't understand. I'm asking you a question as your civilian providence. You need to answer my question.
Ask me your question.
Okay, I'm going to ask you, and then you're going to provide the answer, correct?
Yes.
Okay, great. Why are you arresting me under your false pretenses of me drinking alcohol because you, quote, unquote, smell alcohol in my breath? That's why you're arresting me right now?
I need you to listen.
Excuse me. I can't hear you. I don't understand what you're saying. You're not listening. I can't hear you.
She seems to be quite egotistical too. The fact that she's telling the officers that she can't hear him while screaming at the top of her lungs is ironic, because she's the one that's making the situation more difficult than it has to be.
Excuse me, officer. I said I would. Is your dash cam? Is your?
This is being recorded.
Good, great, okay, perfect.
So are you?
So I said, excuse me, officer. I said I would perform. What's it called? The field sobriety test? Excuse me, officer. No, shut up. I'm a civilian.
I'm taking your argument.
I'm a civilian. No, you shouldn't. You shouldn't take that. Because I'm asking you a question. As an officer, I'm asking you a question. Do you hear my question or no?
I've asked you a question.
Do you understand my question or not? Yes or no?
I've answered your.
Yes or no?
I've answered.
Yes or no?
Time.
Yes or no? You have not answered my question once.
I'm taking your attitude.
This is okay. My lawyer is gonna have all this on their video surveillance, so it's gonna be in court. That's fine.
All right. You have the right to remain silent.
No, I don't. Roll my window up. Shut the f*** up and roll my window up. Shut the f*** up and roll my window up. Roll my window up. Roll my window up. I don't care. Shut up. Good. Great. Awesome.
Cannot afford a lawyer.
I can.
To represent you.
I can. Why the f*** would I do that?
You can decide.
Roll my window up. Roll my window up. Roll my window up. Roll my window up.
Understand the rights.
Roll my window up. Roll my window up. Roll my window up. Roll my window up. I don't give a f*** what you have to say. Roll my window up. And finish my Miranda rights. Do you not know the law, you pig? Finish my Miranda rights. Finish saying them to me. That's the law. Do your f***ing job.
Surely at that point she needs to give up, right?
My lawyer is gonna make a joke out of you, and I'm gonna get off on a reckless driving. I'm sure you've been through this 1,000 times. You roll my f***ing window up, you piece of shit. Make somebody else's right miserable. Besides mine. You probably haven't got laid in a year. Your wife is probably a you probably can't have kids. Roll my window up, you Can you finish reading the Miranda rights? Can you finish doing that, please? Can you do at least one thing right tonight? Finish reading my Miranda rights. Finish reading them to me. You never did that. That's your job. Finish reading the rights. Don't touch me or talk to me. F*** you. Shut my f***ing door and roll up my window. Don't put my seatbelt on. I'll do it myself. Don't touch me. Do not touch me. I will do it myself. Do not touch me. Do you understand? Do not touch me. I don't like you. You're a f***ing liar. Get your f***ing hands away from me. Let a female cop do that. Do not touch me. Let a female cop seatbelt over my body. Do not touch me. Oh, now you're gonna let me drive without a seatbelt? That's against the law. You're letting me drive without a seatbelt over my body? That is against the law. That is against
against the law. That is against the law. Let a female cop put a seatbelt over my body. I do not feel safe. You're a liar. You said you smell alcohol in my breath. That is a lie. Let a female officer put a seatbelt over my body. I do not feel safe with you. And I have an excellent lawyer. I don't drink alcohol. Do you understand? I don't smoke weed. Do you understand?
So why is the weed in the car?
I have a boyfriend.
Either way, she should have checked her car before driving it, if she knows her boyfriend does dodgy things like that.
You need to request a female officer to get a seatbelt on me before we leave. So please do that. Because you physically can't touch me, so please do that. Because I don't feel safe at all. I don't feel safe with you. I don't feel safe in my environment. You're definitely fucking horrible at your job. Sober, not sober.
Thank you.
No, I'm not closing that. No, that's my right to have it open. It's 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 my right to have it open.
Remove your hand.
It is my right to have it open. It's 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 my right. It is my lawful right.
We're switching you to another car.
Thank God.
Stop. You were going to be calm and cooperative.
Don't talk to me.
Listen to me.
I'm getting out. I'm
You can
getting
stop.
together.
Listen
Don't
to
touch me.
You are not
Don't
going to act up.
physically don't touch me. Your body camera's on.
Listen
Do
to
not touch me. Do you hear what I'm saying?
go out of-
I'm going.
out of the-
Excuse me. Don't touch me. I'm physically capable of getting out of this car and getting into the other car. Do not touch
I
me.
will touch you.
Don't touch me. Officer, don't touch me. You're physically.
Brittany was then taken down to the station where they breathalyzed her. After that, she was charged with a DUI, her third time in 10 years, along with a bunch of other charges, including resisting an officer with violence, battery on law enforcement, habitual traffic offender, possession of marijuana, possession of drug paraphernalia, speeding, and no insurance.